thanks for coming back. Today's the last day of our electronic workshop on separation, divorce, and family law. I hope that you've gotten some really good information throughout the week on such topics as child custody, child support, spousal support, property distribution. What I want to make sure you understand is that's general information that's generally applicable to everyone. However, for us to apply that information to you and to your specific case and needs, we really need to talk to you. So I'm going to encourage you to call Ms. Shue, you met her, or call Ms. Spencer, you met her, on our phone number and schedule a time that you can come in and talk about your case. If you can't come in person, we have a virtual law office. In fact, we're one of the few family law firms in the state of North Carolina that works virtually with our clients. We can talk with you by video conference, we can talk with you by phone, we can provide full service for you, or we can provide unbundled services where you represent yourself and we make sure the paperwork is correct so that you don't screw up the paperwork. It's also really important that you hire a team of professionals, not just your divorce attorney, but a mental health professional, private investigator if they're needed, a financial consultant, someone that can advise you about decisions that you'll make during property distribution and issues regarding alimony, a CPA from time to time. We'll also need real estate appraisals and real estate appraisers who don't just do a windshield appraisal, but who are used to going into court and backing up their decisions about property. At Rice Law, we put together that team for you, and we're excited about that, and we're ready to introduce them to you. I'm often asked what makes Rice Law different from other family law firms. Yes, we're aggressive, and we will fight for you in court, but what makes us really different is we put you first, and we focus on your needs. We keep you informed of what's going on in your litigation on a daily basis.
I think Rice Law has one of the best platforms in town for virtual law. The attorneys and staff take great care here learning the latest cutting-edge technology, and we're able to protect your interests by going to continuing education seminars and by learning how to interact with the courts and interact with our clients through the computer and internet.
What makes Rice Law different from any other firms, I believe, is that we truly, sincerely care for our clients.
I think that Rice Law is unique in that we communicate with our clients. We send them a copy of their case file throughout the proceedings, and we also keep them up to date with what is happening in their case.
I think what sets us apart is the way that we care about our clients. We take the extra step to make sure that our clients feel very comfortable, and we not only provide them with the legal advice that they need, but also the emotional support that's very necessary during this trying time in their life.
Rice Law is unique from other law firms in that the attorneys share the cases and share the workload. You don't just have one attorney assigned to your case. Each attorney will discuss the matter with the other attorney or other attorneys in the firm and help each other with each and every case. So the client is getting the best service and the most experience possible.
So we keep you informed. That's what makes Rice Law different. It's your case, we care about it, you care about it, and we make sure that you know what's happening at every step of the litigation. I hope you come in. I hope we get to work with you. I look forward to it. Take care.